Bitcoin against US dollar this week has dropped in value as it was expected in the previous week, reaching the first support and also the first demand zone around 41,400. And this week the price has bounced back up and then returned back down, so it is trading in between these two price levels, between 45,500 and also 41,400. So for now, as it looks, the price is in between and it has retraced slightly, but did not close below that, suggesting that the price could drop even more down. If we go to the weekly time frame, what we can see is this price did not still reach at 45,000, so the target is still open, but also we can see the price is in between the support here around 38533 and also 45,500. So on the monthly time frame, we can see that is still active, this bullish candle, and we have 2.5 more weeks until this month ends, so everything is still open for the price to reach this higher price levels around 45,400. So for the rest of the month, it is the best to go to the lower time frames like the weekly and also daily time frame, but everything looks still bullish. But also what I have expected is the price returns back down, confirm this monthly bullish breakout. But until this month candle didn't close, everything's still open because the candle could also close below this one, 38,533. So we need to see how this month ends. But for now, very important levels for the monthly time frame is this one, which is 41,600 for on the lower side, and also on the upper side the price needs to break above 43,370. We will see much more clearly these weekly price levels, which are very important for us. So on the lower side, which is 41,100, is this here, where we can see the price had problems going down. And also below that, what we can see it here is this one here, which is also visible on these two candles. It is 39,000. We can round it number to the 40,000. So it's very important for the price on the weekly time frame not breaking below that in order to hold bullish momentum still active. So on the upper side, we can see that the price have problems going above 44,000, where we can see that the price has dropped from that where the big sellers are waiting. And also this bullish momentum needs to get outside of these trades, so they are expecting to reach 45,500 around this area. So for now everything is still open because we have indecision candles between these two price levels currently, and also the price is just in between. So it's very hard to predict where the price will go on the weekly time frame, but on the daily time frame it's much more clearly. So for now, as it looks, we need to have a breakout outside of this area, which is 43,000, and also below that it is 41,000. Where the price makes a breakout, that is the way where the price will go. If the price breaks above 43,000, it will try to break above 44,000 and to reach 45,000 area around this one, which is a supply zone, and also it is a final target on the monthly time frame for the bulls. If the price goes down, we will see the price reaching also this area. This is the start of this demand zone around 39,000. So for now, I'm outside of the market waiting what will happen for the next week, but also we have 2 days this week until this week ends. Everything's still open. I will share also my entry level with the stop loss, with the take profit inside the trading community, so you can also check it. The link will be below this video inside the description. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.